guys, what's good? Today I'm going to be playing with the Naked Heat palette from Urban Decay, and I know it's been out for a while, but I just got my hands on it, and so I'm going to be trying to do a look with it today. Now, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I can't count. Now there's 12 shades in here, and they're all in this bronzy reddish tone shade range. Words, what are words? And so I'm just going to dive in and see what I can come up with. So first, as usual, I don't have anything on my face because I'm going to do that last. But as usual, I'm going to dive in with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Now I don't have the Urban Decay brand potion primer, but I do have this, and hopefully it will go well with the palette. Now I only take a teeny tiny amount, and I rub it between my first two fingers, and then pat it onto my eyes. I have two eyes, you know. I'm going to put a little bit underneath, just because shadow goes there too, so why not? So I'm actually going to try to use the brush in the palette, which is this nice double-ended brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Chaser, which is the second shade, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. And this is a nice base shade. You probably don't even see it on me because it's really close to my skin tone. Like, I could probably use it as a face powder if they came out with a bigger one. And then next I'm going to move up to Sauced, which is the third shade, and I'm going to place that in the crease. And then right under that I'm going to go to Low Blow, which is just the next one. So if you notice, I'm going from lightest to darkest. Instead of, I'm just trying something new because I'm used to just going crazy, and half the time it turns out good, half the time it turns out bad, so I'm trying to get a little science into this. And then I'm going to go way down here to Cayenne, which is the fourth from the end. Same brush as usual. I'm going to tuck that in the outer corner real lightly. And since this brush is getting kind of dirty, I'm going to switch to the other side, and then I'm going to take in Fuego, which is the third from the end. I'm also going to pat that a little lower on the crease, or not the crease, the outer corner. And then now I'm going to take a fluffy Morphe blending brush and just kind of get it all together. Something else I know I need to practice is holding the brushes more naturally instead of like a pencil gripping them at the end. So I'm trying to break this habit because I know it works better and it's more flexible like this. But it's, for some reason in my head, I just want to do this. I'm going to go back to the Urban Decay brush that came with it, and then I'm going to put He Devil a little bit on the lid, which is the 6th shade. And then now I'm going to go in with a finger and actually do Scorch, which is this nice rosy but still pretty red shade. It's a nice glitter. So it's this one. I'm just going to take a clean finger here and just pat that in the middle. Pat, 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 pat the bunny. Alrighty, and then next I'm going to go back to that Morphe brush and clean up the top edges. Gotta grip it lower. Or higher, I guess. I almost the need to loosen up my grip. Like I've said before, makeup is a learning process. I'm still learning. I'm still trying to perfect my techniques. I don't think I'll ever actually perfect them because that's like impossible. But I'm still trying. I'm still learning. I'm still watching other people, trying to see what they do. And yeah, I hope that I can grow. Now I'm going to take, what should I take here? I'm going to take a dense e.l.f. brush here and go in with Ounce, which is the very first shade in the palette. And I'm going to tuck that a little bit under my eyebrow. And then into my inner corner. Since there isn't that light sparkly shade that I usually, like a highlighter shade. And then now I'm going to take a much thinner brush and smoke out the lower lash line. This is a concealer brush actually from e.l.f. And I'm going to go into He Devil, which is this one, and go on my lower lash line with that. And what I've noticed is half of makeup is about feel. Like, just because like I can look in a mirror and see it, it also has to feel right. So like I'm looking for like accuracy, obviously, as I'm placing this on my lower lash line, but I need to be able to feel that it's high enough and hugging it enough. Alrighty, and then I'm going to go back in with that Floofy blender. And take it around town. Alrighty, so I'm going to finish this with some eyeliner and mascara, and then I'll get to the rest of my face. But I won't show you that part. I won't bore you with that. So if I can find my eyeliner. Oh, she's down here. Alrighty, well my camera cut out while I was doing something. So this is the final look. I had the rest of my face on except for my brows because I don't feel like doing them today. And also I'm still trying to figure out a better way to do them, and I'll show you guys once I find that out. But this is it. Tell me what you think. I'll list all the products that I use on the rest of my face below. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please like, please leave a comment, and bye!